Hello, great people. Welcome back to Global Happenings. Today, we are so excited to have you again. A renowned Igbo chieftain has reacted to the comment made by one of Nigerian foremost Nollywood actress talking about Rita Edochie. She said in one of the publications that there will be no peace in Igbo land unless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released. Now, why did she say that? It was tantamount to a video that she played where Femi Fani Kayode clearly condemned the injustice meted out to the southeastern people in the country. And after the video, she now said that our problem is the elite around them that are after their pockets. Then she asked a question. He said, are they living in peace despite the fact that I'm giving them money? She said, no. And they can never until Igbos are settled, until Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released, and until Ndibo Naiwero Eze comes together. And I will always say it, there will be no peace in this country. What we are facing today is just a child's play, because the main game will shock everyone, particularly those people who are after their pocket. That was what she said. And this guy has taken out time to condemn that statement. And we're going to hear who the person is that condemned the statement made by Rita Edochie that there will be no peace in Igbo land until Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released. But before we give you full details of the news, we'd like to encourage you to please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. Now, according to the news, the chieftain of the ruling All Progressive Congress APC Lagos State chapter and special advisor to Lagos State government on drainage and water resources, Joe Ibokwe, has taken to his official Facebook platform to respond to veteran Nollywood actress Rita Edochie's statement concerning the havoc occurring in the southeast region. The veteran Nollywood actress Rita Edochie had earlier made a statement concerning the crisis in the southeastern part of the country, reacting to the murder of the Nigerian military couple in Imo State. Rita Edochie noted that there will be no peace in Igbo land until the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is released. Responding to Rita's statement, Joe Ibokwe on his Facebook handle slammed the veteran actress, stating that her statement is unwise regarding the atrocities in the southeast. According to Ibokwe, he said, this woman is speaking for something for some time now, as if she is not seeing the tragedy, atrocity, murder, arson, and despicable display of wickedness by IPOP and UGM in the southeast. Continue, ma. And he made that post, and went further to say that when a mother speaks like this, then there's no hope for the hopeless. Continue, ma. Mama 70 for nothing. The shame is going round and it will touch everyone before we receive common sense, even though common sense is not common. That was what Joe Ibokwe said. And, it triggered a lot of reactions by different people. Someone here says, actually, it will make sense to realize Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, at least he can give orders to the aggrieved people of Ndibo to drop their weapon. Truth is, majority of Igbo youth listen to him. Keeping him in detention have not solved any problem and will not solve problem. Rather, it will fuel crisis. Another person reacting said, and that unpeaceful atmosphere you pray for in Igbo land will consume you and your entire household by the grace, special grace of God. And then Nigerians also pick it up and people are really talking. This person says here, the woman need to be arrested and questioned. She knows something about the war in Igbo land. Another person says, oh God, Joe, when Igbos are talking, please don't talk. Now one here says she is fearless and said the absolute truth. Haters should go hawk transformers. 7 soldiers, including mobile police officer, when we gone down a few days ago in Taraba, yet nobody is talking about it. Yes, I heard about it, talking about it, and the Igbo land, Igbo will continue the killing in your land, the killing of your kingsmen. Taraba state must not surpass you. Let there be no recruitment of UGM, or let there be more recruitment of UGM. Another person here say, what will we do to these people? They should stop all this thing. It really breaks my heart when I see my own town being fused in a trouble that makes us not reasonable before anybody. Another person here says, seems she loves the killing in the east. Let it continue. It go reach them all. Now same Igbo go suffer am. Kill your people or mumu woman. Another person here says all politicians are barawo, hoodlums, hooligans, bandits, dogs, including Rita Edochie is right. Another person here says, is it not obvious that this woman just said the truth? Kidnapping or killing the head of the movement has never paid off. It is one of the easiest lessons to learn from history of conflicts the world over. Now, a lot of people are talking here. People are talking against Rita Edochie, and others too are talking against Joe Ibokwe. But at this point, it's good for us to, take a stand on what these two people are trying to, keep rehearsing. Now, if you notice very recently, IPOB has been debunked. They have been speaking against, the issue of killings in Igbo land. They are so strict about it, and they keep repeating it every now and then. It's even shocking that right now they don't even support UGM again and the activities of UGM. They've even sent a letter. You're going to see it subsequently. They've sent a letter to, or they have sent a message to the northerners who are residing in Igbo land that they are never after them. They won't do them any harm. This is a pointer to the fact that they want to correct the narrative. Rita Edochie is talking out of heart of a mother who has watched people being killed, who have watched people being treated as they are nobodies. In her lifetime, I feel that she will be happy to see something reasonable happen in Igbo land that will cause her at least to be happy, and possibly when she get over to the other side, she can say, well, I lived and I saw the Igbos being liberated. But at the same time, it's good that you don't trigger more of this. Joe Ibokwe, in a way, is right by saying that these things that we are playing with will get to everyone's doorstep. And that is why also IBOB is doing everything to see that these things do not continue. As much as evil would want us to become children of evil, but at the same time, if we pursue things the right way, if we begin to make noise the right way, there's a lot of things that will be put on that check. My problem right now with Igbos is the lack of cooperation, especially among the elites. They are not cooperating with each other. No one wants, everyone wants to see his pocket being filled. Just like the woman said, would there be peace for such people? Of course, no. If you come into unity and begin to fight all of what we are seeing in the country, especially how Igbos are being marginalized, most of the things we're seeing happening where young people wake up and do all what they're doing, it won't be happening. So somehow she may be wrong, but at the same time, she's right. Because a lot of things that are happening in the country is very wrong, and sometimes it's even fueled by the so-called elite. But at the same time, it's wrong to support such, because taking the lives of people shouldn't be a part or tradition of a particular people. Because someday those blood again will rise up to cry, and when they cry again, it will fuel more violence. I like to leave it there. Go to our comment section. Let's interact. What's your viewpoint